In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter revenue in Freshbooks. Whether you're tracking client invoices or recording other income sources, Freshbooks makes it easy to manage your business finances efficiently. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you're capturing your revenue correctly. First, you'll need to log into the web version of Freshbooks. Once you're in, there are a couple of routes you can take, depending on the type of revenue you want to record. If you're dealing with revenue not linked to a client invoice, start by navigating to the Payments section from the main dashboard. Once there, select the Other Income tab. This section is designed for revenue streams like Etsy sales or bank interest, anything that's outside your regular client billing cycle. To add a new entry, click the plus icon. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the source of this income. Be as specific as possible as it helps with your financial reporting later on. Now detail the payment. This includes filling in any taxes that apply by typing in the tax name and amount. Finally, select the payment method and save your entry by clicking the check icon. And that's it. Your non-invoice revenue is now correctly recorded in Freshbooks. For revenue tied to client invoices, you have a slightly different pathway. From your dashboard, either click Create New and select Invoice, or go through the left-hand menu and select Invoices. Then click New Invoice. You'll be presented with an invoice template. Personalize this template by adding your logo and filling in your client's details. It's important to include all pertinent details about the services or products provided to ensure everything is clear for both you and your client. Before finalizing, double-check that all essential elements of the invoice are completed. This includes itemizing services or products, adding applicable tax information, and confirming total amounts are accurate. Once you're satisfied, save the invoice, which ensures that this revenue stream is accurately captured in your accounting records. Remember, Freshbooks is about more than just accuracy. It's also about making your financial processes smooth and intuitive, so don't hesitate to use the platform's features to your advantage. From adding logos to applying taxes, Freshbooks' flexible templates allow you to manage your brand's financial face effortlessly. By accurately entering both client-based and other income into Freshbooks, you'll have a clearer picture of your business's financial health, enabling informed decision-making and strategic planning. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide on entering revenue in Freshbooks helps you streamline your accounting process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy accounting!